need to share your internet from your PC to other devices, whether you are on the go or your router is acting up. Setting a hotspot in Windows 11 is easier than you think. Here is how to do it in just a few steps. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In this video, we will show you how to turn on your Windows 11 PC into a Wi-Fi hotspot so you can share your internet connection with your phone, tablet or any other device. Let's get started. Method 1. Create a hotspot in Windows 11. Click on the Windows Start button and choose Settings. Go to Network and Internet. Now you need to enable mobile hotspot. To do this, toggle this mobile hotspot to on. View your hotspot details. Check the properties to reveal your network's SSID, that is network name and password. Note these. Other devices will need them to connect. Now you need to select which connection to share. Under Share Over, choose Wi-Fi or Bluetooth if available. Turn the power saving on or off. If you turn the settings on, the hotspot shuts off automatically when idle. If you turn it off, the hotspot stays on until you manually turn it off. Now edit the network name, password and band. Click on Edit next to the properties. Enter a friendly SSID of your choice. Make sure the network password must be at least 8 characters. For the network band, you can select 2.4 GHz for longer range, slower speeds. If available, you can go for 5 GHz for faster speeds, shorter range, not supported by some older devices. Once done, click on Save. Remember that you cannot create an open or no password hotspot. Windows requires at least an 8-character password. If power saving turns your hotspot off, you will need to toggle it back on in Settings. Device limits. Windows may cap the number of clients. If you hit a limit, disconnect an idle device or upgrade your network adapter. Method 2. Connect smartphone to the hotspot. Now here is how you can connect your smartphone to the mobile hotspot you have created. To do that, open your phone settings. Next, find and select the Wi-Fi option. Now here you should see the name of the Wi-Fi hotspot you have created on your Windows. Select that and provide the password in the respective field. Then click on the Connect Now or similar option to connect to that. Now you can use the Wi-Fi hotspot. And that's all it takes to create a hotspot in Windows 11. Now you can stay connected and keep your devices online wherever you are. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Silicophilic for more simple Windows tips and how-tos. Have any question or ran into issues? Drop a comment below. We are here to help. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.